Children, now we are going to learn about condensation polymerization. So the best examples here are nylon 6,6 or 6-6 or 6-6 and nylon 6. Both are condensation polymers. What is meant by condensation polymerization means during polymerization there will be a removal of a simple molecule like water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, etc. Now here in nylon 6,6 and nylon 6 there is a removal of water molecule. So here this 6 both are monomers having each monomer having 6 carbon atoms. This is the number used. Here also nylon 6 only one monomer having 6 carbon atoms. So one scientist called Dupont, he only coined the name nylon 6,6 and for the preparation here 2 monomers are used. One monomer is adipic acid and the other monomer adipic acid, this is having 6 carbon atom and the other monomers is hexamethylene diamine. Adipic acid formula CH2 4 times dicarboxylic acid, so COOH 4 carbon atom plus 1 5 plus 1 6. Here hexamethylene, methyl group means CH3, methylene group means CH2. So hexamethylene CH2 6 times, diamine NH2 NH2 having 6 carbon atom. Both are monomers. The IUPAC name for this one is hexane 1,6 dioic acid. Taken in equal amounts, this also hexane 1,6 diamine. Equal amounts taken. So from here in COOH the hydrogen atom joins with this amine group NH2. Similarly this hydrogen joined with this amine group, so forming a salt, getting a positive sign. So I'll write this one. This is leaving this hydrogen and this hydrogen, so C double bond O minus CH2 4 times C double bond O minus, and this hydrogen since it joins here getting a positive sign NH3 plus CH2 6 times, this hydrogen joins with this, so NH3 plus. This is nylon salt. And in this nylon salt, here one H2 and here one O. Water molecule removed, H2 removed, O removed. Here also H2 removed, O removed. Remaining as it is you write. So C double bond O, CH2 4 times, C double bond O. Then here H2 has gone, so remaining NH, CH2 6 times NH. Once more this group joins, C double bond O, CH2 4 times, C double bond O. Once more this group NH, CH2 6 times NH. Likewise this is repeated. So the repeating process, this is repeated many times. Here see 6 carbon atom, here also 4 plus 2 6. So this is nylon 6,6. It is having high mechanical strength, good stability, and rigid. The other compound is nylon 6. Here only one monomer is used. That monomer having 6 carbon atom. The best example is caprolactam. Caprolactam. I'll draw the structure. NH, here having double bond O. Carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Caprolactam heated at 533 Kelvin at inert atmosphere. This is very important. Inert atmosphere. Here also what? On hydrolysis, the bond breaks here and OH added here, H added here. So what we are getting? This is COOH and this is CH2, 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 CH2. 5 CH2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So CH2 5 times, NH2, NH2, COOH. This is called epsilon aminocaproic acid. Why it is called epsilon? See, NH2, CH2, 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 COOH. This is the functional group. The carbon atom next to functional group is alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. So this is called as epsilon amino caproic acid containing 6 carbon atom means caproic acid. And this is on heating, water molecule removed, that is hydrogen from here, OH from here removed. So the remaining product NH, CH2 5 times, COO. This is nylon 6. This is also used for plastic, tires, fabrics, etc. Children, this is given in a book, page number 289. Both are very important, nylon 66 and nylon 6. Go through and mark in a book.